So here I am at serverpress.com, and here I will show you how you can download Serverpress and install it on your computer. You see, get started for free, you can click over here. You can scroll down, you see you have Desktop Server Premium and you have Desktop Server Limited. And you have some extra benefits if you buy Premium. We don't need these, so we can go for the free version. I click on Add to Cart. You need to fill in some personal details. My company name, Verdi Corp Media. My first name, last name. My email address. Phone number is not necessary, and you don't have to choose this option. So I agree to the terms, and I say purchase. Here I am at the download page, and I can click on the latest version. If you're on a PC, you will see a PC version over here. I'm on a Mac, so I click over here. And now it's downloading. It's 127 megabytes, so it can take a while. I go to Finder, and I go to Downloads, and I click over here. I double click on Install DSL. I click on Open. We need to install desktop server, so I click on Continue. I need to fill in my password of my username. I agree to all this stuff. I accept it. And I select New Desktop Server Installation. Continue. Now it will install. This can take a while. And it says it is done. You can start desktop server from your applications XAMPP folder. Click Finish. To close the installer, I click on Finish. I close all these steps. I go to Finder, to Applications. I press X on my keyboard. I go to XAMPP, and I double click on Desktop Server. Desktop Server needs to run as an administrator, so I want to restart Desktop Server with privileges. I click on Next. Now it's restarting. I need to fill in my password again of my computer. And I say yes, start Apache and MySQL services. Next. And it's done. I need to click on Next again. And I want to create a new development site. So I click on Next again. And I can create a site name, and I'm the only person that will see this. This will be locally on my computer. So I say Verdi Corp Media. The blueprint will be WordPress 4.7.0. It's the most recent version. I click on Create. And Desktop Server is doing all the hard work for us. Now we need to configure our WordPress website. I click on Next. And I click on this link over here. And it opens in Chrome. I can choose the language, it will be English. I click on Continue. And the site title, I can say Verdi Corp Media. I will make a website about my media company where I offer my services, which are photography, videography, and web design. So I can say photography, videography, web design. But if we want to be found in Google, the best thing is to start with the word you want to be found on. So I cut this, I paste it over here. So it's photography, videography, web design, and then it says Verdi Corp Media. Remove this. So that will be the title of my site. My username will be this one. My password will be this one. Confirm use of a weak password. And my email address is this one. And you need to fill that in so you can receive information from WordPress. Let's install WordPress. And that's it. If we take a look at our website, I click over here. I am the only one right now that can see this website on my computer, verdicorpmedia.dav. If you want to follow along with the desktop server version of your website, then skip the next video about HostGator and go to the video after that, where I will give you an overview of the backend of your website.